Welcome to Turbo Rider. Today, we are taking a closer look at the brand new 2025 Hero Honda Glamour 125 PGM-FI, a commuter bike that blends fuel efficiency, daily comfort, and modern features for today's riders. Engine and performance. At its heart, the Glamour is powered by a 124.7 cubic centimeters, air-cooled, single-cylinder engine with advanced PGM-FI technology. This engine produces around 10.5 PS of power at 7,500 RPM and 10.4 Nm of torque at 6,000 RPM, paired with a smooth 5-speed gearbox. With this setup, the bike can comfortably hit a top speed of around 95 km per hour, making it perfect for both city rides and short highway trips. Mileage and efficiency. One of the strongest points of this bike is fuel economy. Thanks to fuel injection, the Glamour delivers an impressive 55 to 65 km per litre, depending on real-world conditions. That makes it a very practical option for daily commuters looking to save on fuel costs. Design and dimensions. The 2025 model comes with a refreshed look, featuring sporty body lines, 18-inch alloy wheels, and tubeless tyres. The bike weighs about 121 kilos, has a 10-litre fuel tank, and provides 170 mm of ground clearance, good enough for uneven city roads. Brakes and suspension. For braking, you get 130 mm drum brakes at both ends, with Hero's integrated braking system for added safety. Suspension duties are handled by telescopic forks up front and a 5-step adjustable hydraulic shock at the rear, ensuring a comfortable ride even on rough roads. Features and technology. The Glamour is well equipped for its segment. It comes with a digital analog instrument cluster, real-time mileage indicator, USB charging port, and the auto headlamp on AHO feature. Small touches like these make the bike very convenient for daily users. Price and variants. The 2025 Glamour is OBD2B compliant, keeping up with the latest emission standards. In India, pricing starts at around 86,700 Indian rupees ex-showroom for the drum variant, while the disc version costs close to 90,700 Indian rupees. Conclusion. So overall, the 2025 Hero Honda Glamour 125 PGM-FI is a solid package, fuel efficient, comfortable, reliable, and stylish enough for daily commuting. It's a bike that works well for both young professionals and middle-aged riders looking for practicality with a touch of modern flair. Like, share, and subscribe to Turbo Rider for more detailed bike reviews.